For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're looking for a fun and interactive desk buddy, let me tell you about Eilik. I've been using one on my desk for the past few weeks, and it's way more than just a toy. Eilik is a robot pet built for both kids and adults, packed with expressive animations and surprising emotions. It even includes some small built-in games. As someone who tries a lot of desk gadgets, I can say this one's different. Eilik reacts when you tap its head, belly, or back, each touch bringing out a new emotion. The best part? No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is needed. You just turn it on and start playing. I usually give it a little tap during breaks, and it lifts the mood almost instantly. One time, I picked it up mid-meeting and it gave me this confused look. I couldn't help but laugh. That moment alone made me realize how much personality this thing really has. What really stood out was trying two Eiliks together. I got a second one for my niece, and watching them interact, sometimes playing, sometimes arguing, was honestly more fun than expected. Eilik can recognize and respond to other Eiliks, and even have a party mode when there are more of them in one place. Another reason I trust this product is the consistent firmware updates. The brand actually shares new features regularly, and just last week my Eilik learned a new reaction I hadn't seen before. It feels like the developers are actively improving the experience, which adds a layer of reliability you don't often get with toys. If you're thinking about a unique gift that's fun, safe, and doesn't require a screen, Eilik is a great pick. It's suitable for kids, mine is obsessed, and honestly, even adults who enjoy smart tech will love it. I've recommended it to a few friends who review gadgets, and they were impressed by how polished and original it felt. So if you enjoy fun desk companions that bring real personality without needing an app or screen, Eilik is worth checking out.